guys, I don't think you can see me. It is the first day of senior year online and it is 5 a.m. I'm just gonna tell you here why I woke up so early because you obviously could not see me in the dark and it was getting a little weird just me whispering. So basically I was babysitting the first day of school and I had to babysit at 6 until 8 o'clock. School started at 8:30, so I had to wake up pretty early in order to get to babysitting on time and to prepare my last minute school things that I had to do even though it was online. But yeah, this is me getting ready. Before I leave, I wanted to clean my room, prepare for my Zoom classes, finish my summer assignment, and then vlog for you guys. But we're running out of time. I wanted to wake up at 4:30, ended up waking at 5. So I think I'm gonna clean my room and then prepare for my Zoom classes and finish my summer assignment at babysitting because the kids will be sleeping anyways. I think my summer assignment is due Friday anyways, and it's Tuesday, so I think it'll be fine. But I'm gonna clean my room. Alright, I finished my makeup. I had to stop recording and it doesn't look good, like, at all. I just needed to do a quick makeup and just like cover up a little bit. It is almost time to go. I don't know if I'm gonna film when I'm babysitting because I'm probably just gonna be sitting there. I also packed my bag with my school computer, my book, food, water, and just some other things. There's a little bit of a gap here and I just wanted to fill it in. So I got home from babysitting a little early because the parents got home early. I actually didn't end up getting any of my work done because the kids actually woke up right when their mom left, and me and the mom both thought they were gonna sleep through the 2 hours I was gonna be there, but no. It's okay though because I did end up getting a little work done while they were playing, and now you will see me getting ready for my next class, or my first class actually, because school didn't start yet at this point. But yeah, my first class starts in 5 minutes. I have pre-calc first. I'm using my school computer. I wanted to use my MacBook, but my MacBook is so old and I just bought a new MacBook, but it's being delivered in a few weeks. So for now, I'll have to use this, which is so fine because I use this all 3 years of high school, and it's kind of better also because it's smaller and just more industrial. So if I drop it, it does not break. At least it hasn't broken yet. I'm not going to join the Zoom until the actual time, except that my first period teacher said that she wants our cameras on, but I'm scared that no one else is gonna show their face at first. So I don't know. I just remembered my friend is in this class. I'm gonna ask her if she's gonna put her camera on. This class is different than my other classes because it's primarily a junior class. Not that I'm behind in math, I'm actually like on level with math. It's just that I'm just not ahead like most other seniors. But even the seniors that are on level just like I am, most of my friends that are in the same grade as me are just taking normal pre-calc, and I'm in pre-calc honors, and most of the pre-calc honors classes are filled with juniors. I'm in.
Hi guys, can you guys hear me?
Alright, my first class is done. It was kind of awkward, but we had a little assignment to do and I didn't finish it. So that's like my homework, I guess, now. But I was really hungry, so I made some mac and cheese. I just had leftover pasta and I put some shredded cheese in there. I have my next class in 3 minutes, so I'm gonna log on my computer now. And I'm really excited for this class because I love this teacher. I had him last year. No, not last year, 2 years ago. We can hear you. Oh, my bun is a little messy. So I decided to give you guys a little update. It is now lunchtime for me, period 5, and I'm just gonna be doing some homework. I already have math homework, not even homework, just things I need to finish from class that I didn't finish. I do have a Spanish homework assignment, and then entrepreneurship, I have this assignment. It's just like a get to know you sort of thing, but I'm struggling with it because I don't know what to put on it at all. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Alright guys, so that was my first day of senior year. Pretty uneventful because we're just online, but yeah. I finished at 1:45 about. My last class was supposed to end at 2:14, but he let us out early since it was just gym and there wasn't really much to do. The last period I just have a study hall, so I just don't have to do anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my day. I will see you guys in my next video.